and I am an Amazon specialist for. What I love about my Amazon guy is the ability to work freely and the freedom to work from home, to work without any hassle, without the need to commute from house to work. The most favorite thing I love, honestly, is I can work without any micromanaging. Yeah, of zero micromanaging. Like, you can work anytime you want. I love working in Mag. I love being with my current pod, with Daniel, and working with Kirsten. My Amazon guy has helped me by spending a lot of time with my family, especially my husband. I can balance my time with my work, with my online work, and as well as with my husband, especially during the weekends.